Sitting in a convenient location of Sweetwater, this move-in ready home is clean, neat and newly renovated. A very low-maintenance 2-bedroom 1-bath home that would be perfect to start your new family or for the empty nester. Featuring a new roof, HVAC, flooring, paint, lighting and blinds throughout. Additional features include a large laundry room with window for plenty of natural light accessed from the attached carport. Kitchen range and refrigerator remain. Nice size covered front porch, concrete driveway on a corner parcel with plenty of space. Just a short little walk to the park. Property lies between Chattanooga and Knoxville, just off I-75 within the city limits of historical town of Sweetwater. 20 minutes to Watts Bar Lake or Tellico Lake, 30 minutes to Tellico River and Cherohala Skyway.